Love you, no boy. Love you. You can't help it. So you never do.
Yeah, I know you're good.
Yeah, man, Sunday school, me I come from you.
Sunday school? Everything up.
Yeah, man, no, man.
Just make sure you take in your work at school, you know.
Take it, man.
You see hungry?
Yeah, man, I'm hungry.
Come on, go get something for you to eat, yeah?
Yeah.
What time? Jesus Christ, I'm late for work. Michael! Jesus Christ, in God at school. Christ, better come shoot. Work.
When the so long, man? Boss. You just know me a shot in European.
So how much that, boss?
Can you not come? So me a shot in European.
Go hard, me have to work for me uncle brother, man. I just hoping God school go break his spell, you know. The day I have to put in hard work over and over. Boss! Me done, you know. Boss! Me done, you know.
Alright, make sure.
So, me can't get my little pay now.
When me done, me go look what you do.
Boss, come on, man. I joke can't make me have to go me hard, you know. Remember my little brother did it. Come on, man.
Alright, me a come look.
Boss. Come on, man. I have to go me hard, you know. You love your jokes, man. Come on, man. More go me hard, you know. Job done, man. Come look. Boss, come look, man. See there? Rooms now well clean, you know, man. So let me go down, man. Let me go home. Yeah, man. I don't want to see like that, you know, man. So, boss, how are you fly for?
I pay that, man. Remember say you ain't come.
No,
you know
boss,
come, you know.
man. You always are going like you can't start. Boss, what this I do?
Can you ain't come where you fi come?
No, man, boss. This can't do nothing, boss, man. Boss, man, hold your money, man. That can't do nothing, man.
Alright, when you come and wash you again, you get a,
You know
you get more.
Me come go my yard, you know, cause every time you do this, you know, me come go my yard, you know. Me come go my yard, you know.
When
Boss, when you come like today, you want style, man, you know. That's why me not work for no more body. Father God, all me I try and I try, me don't know what to do. Just need you to show me a sign which me can make you out. So me can help my brother and myself.
Brother, they won't come from school.
Brother, they're in the back.
No, brother, I'm gone.
Yeah, I know. You know, see me that look for you this morning, but you look like you left out early before me.
But they fought well early, man. Well early.
I gotta see, because I have some serious things to tell you, you know. I just can't even know, you know. Enough things me I go through in my life, you know, with work and everything overall, you see.
Brother,
Hmm?
I use the bathroom, you know.
I go on and come back. Because I want to tell you enough things about life and stuff. You see my brother go out in them bag, you know, because the man there bright sparks, you know, him going to be next soldier, you know. And broke his chain for your family, you know. Bombard, man. I saw me know my brother go broke his chain, you know. Look there. Low and sticky. The man there bright sparks, you know, man. God. The real diamond this. No God. No, just tell me say my brother pick up them thing here. Coke and gold. Michael! Michael! Coke and gold. Brother, no. So tell me say I didn't think I have pick up now in school. Brother, talk to me now, brother. Brother. My God, I can't believe it. After watch Kiara and the love scene just be a school, man. And they think you really a school go to my youth. Brother, just tell me what you really want right now, no. This or school. Make me know what you want in a bad man. Brother, all of them watching a car there, I think they what me I do, brother, it don't make sense, brother, cause all I do, I just pick up jumps and blast it, go down Sydney in a dog. Brother, I don't think you really pick up dog, I can't believe it, dog. I can't believe it, God, brother, you know what man fi just thump you up right now, you know. She don't know what you do, you know. You just gonna shake up me and my life in a youth. Can't believe it, man. Let me lick you, my brother. Little brother. Hope you forgive mommy, you know. Little brother, come for apologize, you know. Brother.
Yo, brother, stop call my phone.
Call the phone, brother. Man, then kill your brother, you know, dog. Brother, come to the hospital right now, dog. You man, then kill your brother.
He dead?
You know, most dead if me say then kill him,
But
bad
no,
man, my you
true.
come down there right now, dog.
At this moment, one brother Marv gone left me. But can't believe my brother gone. One person did it for me. My mother gone. I know my brother gone. What me ever know?
More than my fight, more man a rise. So me not gonna make you know I be my man a driver. Remember the words of my mother voice. Keep your head in the sky and your eyes on the prize. Punish down the let people paralyze.